Hey everybody, welcome to my video review about the TedsWoodworking program. My name is Vic and today I'm here very quickly just to tell you the main information about this program, like what it is, what it does, if it really works, but also share with you some really important warnings and alerts that you must know before actually purchase it, so stay tuned until the end, okay? But I was advanced, of course, and I left you the link for the official website just below in the description of my video in case you need it. So all you have to do is go to the description box, click on the link below, that you will go directly to their official website where you can find all the complete information about it. But I really recommend you guys to stay with me until the end because the alerts will be available only here on this video. So guys, the TedsWoodworking program is a comprehensive online resource aimed at woodworking enthusiasts of all skill levels. It offers a vast collection of woodworking plans and projects designed to guide users through the process of creating various wood crafts. So guys, the content and features, it has an extensive collection of plans. TedsWoodworking program boasts over 16,000 woodworking plans. These plans cover a wide range of projects, including furniture, outdoor structure, and decorative items, for example. Also, he gives you a detailed instruction that are videos, tutorials, and some bonus materials because the TedsWoodworking often includes some bonuses like the woodworking tips, techniques, and guides on setting up a woodworking shop. And when purchasing the program, you will be able to have an access for a lifetime, okay, to all the plans and materials, okay, guys? So this resource is very comprehensive with over 16,000 plans. The program is one of the most extensive woodworking resources available. It's also user-friendly because these detailed instructions, it is of an educational value, and also it's a lifetime access, so like I told you guys. So this program is a valuable resource for woodworking enthusiasts, offering an extensive library of cleans and educational materials. Its user-friendly designed and comprehensive content make it suitable for both beginners and experienced woodworkers, okay? My only alert for you guys is that you can only purchase this program on the official website. It is not possible to buy it in other websites, so be very careful with that, okay? That's why I left you the link just below in the description of my video, and this is the only place you can purchase the original TedsWoodworking program from, nowhere else, so keep that information in mind. So I came here to tell you guys that yes, it's super worth it. It's the best one you can find in the market today, and the link to purchase it is just below.